What's up, guys? It's Leo Hightower here, and I'm back up with a new video for you guys. I hope everyone had themselves a very Merry Christmas, and I hope you all look forward to the new year. I'm trying to get used to using my new little tripod I got for my camera right now. It's a work in progress, but anyway, today's video is something special. It's been a few days since Christmas, but recently I got myself here this big brown package from my friend JayFoxFire, and she wanted to know exactly what my reaction to this was gonna be, so this is one of those unboxing videos. Let's open it up and see what JayFoxFire sent me for Christmas, you know? Anyway, here we go. Okay, here we go. Careful when using knives, ladies and gentlemen. This, yeah. Okay, there we go. Almost got it.
A few moments later.
Okay. Let's see what we got here now. What is this? Hang on. Card from JayFoxFire right here. I'll see what that is in just a minute, but hang on a minute. It's a cute little Christmas card showing her doggy and a picture of Mickey holding a present. That's so cute. Merry Christmas, Robert, Wendy, Jamie, and Kayla. That's so cute. Now, what have we got here? Oh, she sent me a Bob Marley t-shirt to replace one that I lost last year. I'll definitely be trying that out sometime. That's so awesome. Thanks, Jay. Now, what else do we have here? What is all this now? Is this a Great Eastern Sonic plushie? Or was this handmade? Because it looks so good. Well, now I got myself a miniaturized Sonic right here. Oh, wow. It looks very nice. It's nicely well stitched and everything. Nice little fist. That's cute, though. Let's see. Get all this out of the way. Got something else here. What do we got? Oh my goodness. She sent me a Tails plushie, and this is from Sonic X. Oh my goodness, that's so adorable. Well, now I got a Tails to go along with my Sonic in a way. Yay! I don't think I could do Sonic plush, but I'd be more than willing to try. But this is really adorable. Now I have a Tails plushie, finally, after all this time, and I got me a second Sonic plushie too. And the fact that this is from Sonic X makes it all even better. I can hang him on my door, or I can hang him on my bed, or just, you know, that's so adorable. Now, what is this last thing in? Oh my frickin' goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, I have a gigantic Cream the Rabbit plush. My goodness. Look at the size of this thing. And look at her floppy ears. Oh my goodness. It looks like the ears had to be stitched a little bit, but overall that's not too bad. My goodness. And the little heart right here on her cheek. That's so cute. Look at that. I have a very large Cream the Rabbit plush. She's probably gonna be on my bed for a while, but this is so adorable. They got the... Look at the size of this thing. And her big hands too. Her cute little tail in the back too. Her little shoes. The only thing would be missing is if I had a Cheese the Chow plush, and that would make it worthwhile and everything, but this is still good. So now I have my original Sonic plush, I got a Blaze the Cat, I got an Amy Rose, I got a modern Sonic plush, I got a Tails plush, and now I have this huge Cream the Rabbit plush. Jay, what am I supposed to do with this? Why you do this? Why you do this? But seriously, thank you, Jay. Thank you so much. I love these. The Sonic Tails and Cream plushes, and the Bob Marley shirt that you sent me. I'm probably gonna wear this sometime on New Year's. Thank you again for all this. This was such a nice Christmas present. Jay, I love you. I love you, Jay. Thank you again. And I guess that's gonna do it for this unboxing video. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Expect more videos sometime in the far distant future and next year from Leo Hightower. As always, of course, I'm Leo Hightower, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. This definitely made my day. Peace out, guys.